One have to begin to imagine what's really going on in our world when we look on the tragic situation that took place in Clarendon, which involves that mother losing her 4 children and also losing her own life. Can you even begin to imagine the ordeal that those kids might have went through during those final moments of their life? I've seen a video of the aftermath of the killing, and I can tell you that the sight is just so graphic. It's not really a good sight to see what transpired there with the kids laying on the floor. Some of them seem as if they were trying to escape from their attacker just in order to save their life. And even though it's still unclear what transpired in this case, it's an eye-opener for many to see that the world that we're living in right now is not a good place. And it's a sad situation, and words cannot even begin to express or state what the family might be going through at this time. But I just want to let the family know that the country in general, and actually a wider diaspora of the Jamaican people, have them in their prayers as a family try to put the missing pieces of the puzzle together. This is going to be something that will rest forever on their hearts and minds. And also the community as well. The community will have this to deal with for a long time, as this will be edged on their minds for years to come, knowing what took place at that location. It's a very sad situation that happened, but I just hope that the family does find the strength to cope and the will to perceive and just try to acknowledge what has taken place and just find the strength to move on from this, because this is going to be a very hard task for them. Links 007 TV, peace out and bless.